8 food secrets that doctors don't reveal to beat insomnia after 60. Have you ever spent sleepless nights tossing and turning in bed? Have you ever felt exhausted but still unable to fall asleep? And have you ever wondered if you'll ever enjoy a full night's restful sleep again? The frustration of staying awake while the rest of the world sleeps can make you question whether there is a solution. But what if the answer wasn't in a pill bottle or a complicated routine? What if the secret to restful nights was right there, on your dinner plate? Doctors have been studying the connection between nutrition and sleep for years. Research has revealed that certain foods can dramatically improve sleep quality. In this video, we will reveal 8 foods recommended by doctors that have been scientifically proven to help combat insomnia in old age. These foods work by naturally increasing melatonin levels and increasing serotonin production. All this without the side effects of sleep medications. And the best part, you don't have to make drastic changes. Just incorporating these simple everyday foods into your routine may be enough. Stay until the end, because you'll discover not only which foods can help, but also the science behind them. This information can forever change how you approach sleep. Let's get started. 1. The hidden treasure of walnuts. How they can turn your nights into a deep dream. When we think of sleep-enhancing foods, nuts may not be the first thing that comes to mind, but they should be. These nutrient-rich chestnuts are packed with compounds that support healthy sleep. This includes melatonin, tryptophan, and omega-3 fatty acids. While many people turn to melatonin supplements, walnuts offer a natural alternative, an alternative that works in harmony with the body's own processes. A study published in the scientific journal Nutrients found something important. Consuming nuts increases melatonin levels in the blood. This helps regulate the body's internal clock and promotes more consistent sleep patterns. This benefit is especially important for older adults. Melatonin production naturally decreases with age, leading to more frequent sleep disturbances. In addition to melatonin, walnuts also contain high levels of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, which in turn is converted into melatonin. This makes walnuts an excellent choice for supporting the natural production of these essential sleep hormones. But perhaps one of the most unique benefits of walnuts is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are well known for their benefits for heart and brain health, but they also play a crucial role in sleep. Research has shown that omega-3s help increase levels of docosahexaenoic acid. This improves the body's ability to produce melatonin efficiently. For best results, try eating a small handful of nuts at night. Instead of forcing sleepiness, they work with your body's natural rhythms. If you've been struggling to fall asleep or waking up in the middle of the night, adding nuts to your diet can be a simple fix. But walnuts are just the beginning of our journey to better sleep. 2. The miracle of sour cherries, the fruit that makes you sleep 84 minutes longer per night. If you've ever wished for a way to improve your sleep without relying on supplements, tart cherries may be the answer. These small acidic fruits are one of the richest natural sources of melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. Unlike typical sweet cherries, tart cherries contain significantly higher levels of this crucial hormone. A 2012 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found surprising results. Participants who drank tart cherry juice twice daily for 7 days experienced a notable improvement. On average, they slept an additional 84 minutes per night. In addition, their overall sleep efficiency improved significantly. This means that not only were they sleeping more, but their sleep was also deeper and more restorative. This is why older adults often have trouble falling asleep and staying asleep. What makes tart cherries unique is that they provide a direct source of melatonin. This helps to restore the body's natural sleep rhythm without the need for synthetic supplements. But melatonin isn't the only reason tart cherries are beneficial. They are also rich in antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is often linked to sleep disorders. By reducing it, tart cherries support a more stable and restful sleep cycle. For best results, doctors recommend drinking 1 glass of tart cherry juice in the morning and another in the evening. Unlike prescription sleeping pills, tart cherries don't cause drowsiness the next day, nor do they disturb the architecture of your sleep. The next food on our list is even more surprising, as it can help you fall asleep 35% faster. 3. Kiwi, the little fruit that makes you fall asleep 35% faster, and almost no one knows it. One of the simplest and most surprising foods that can help with insomnia is something you may already enjoy: kiwi. This unassuming little fruit is packed with nutrients that support better sleep. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found impressive results. Participants who ate 2 kiwis an hour before bed every night for 4 weeks experienced significant improvements. They fell asleep 35% faster. They remained sleeping 133% longer. And they woke up less often during the night. These results suggest that kiwi is much more than just a refreshing snack. It is a natural sleep aid. So what makes kiwi so effective? The key lies in its ability to increase serotonin levels. This, in turn, helps the body produce more melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep cycle. As we age, melatonin production naturally decreases. This is one of the reasons why insomnia becomes more common in older adults. But that's not all. Kiwi is also rich in antioxidants and folate, both of which play an important role in brain function and stress reduction. Many older adults find themselves lying awake at night. Their minds race with thoughts about the past, present, or future. Stress and anxiety are major contributors to insomnia, and kiwi's high antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress. According to Dr. Alan Richardson, a sleep expert, there is a common mistake. One of the biggest misconceptions people make when dealing with insomnia is assuming that it's purely a nighttime issue. In reality, what you eat during the day sets the stage for how well you sleep at night. Adding kiwi to your daily routine is simple. Try eating 1 or 2 kiwis as an evening snack about an hour before bed. It's a small change that could have a profound impact on the quality of your sleep. If you've ever wished for an easy and natural way to fall asleep faster, kiwi may be just what you're looking for. Keep watching to discover an ancient drink that can calm your agitated mind in just 30 minutes. 4. The ancient drink that silences your restless mind. In just 30 minutes for centuries, chamomile tea has been used as a natural remedy for relaxation and sleep. And modern science has confirmed what many cultures have known for a long time. Chamomile contains a unique compound called apigenin. This compound directly impacts the brain's ability to induce sleep. Apigenin is a natural antioxidant that binds to receptors in the brain. This makes it easier to get into a deep, restful sleep. A study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing examined the effects of chamomile tea on older adults. The results were clear. Those who drank chamomile tea regularly for 2 weeks reported falling asleep faster, experiencing fewer nighttime awakenings, and waking up feeling more refreshed. This suggests that chamomile isn't just a comforting ritual before bed. It is a scientifically backed sleep aid. Dr. Laura Bennett, a specialist in holistic sleep medicine, explains the benefits. Chamomile tea is one of the safest and most effective natural remedies for sleep disorders. Unlike sleep medications, which often come with side effects such as drowsiness and dependence, chamomile works by gently calming the nervous system. In addition to its sedative effects, chamomile also reduces inflammation and supports digestion. Both can play a role in sleep quality. Many older adults struggle with mild aches and pains or digestive discomfort at night. Drinking a hot cup of chamomile tea about 30 to 45 minutes before bed can be a simple way. Since it contains no caffeine and is naturally soothing, it is an excellent choice. If you've ever struggled with nighttime restlessness, adding chamomile tea to your nighttime routine may be just what you need. Its calming effects not only help you fall asleep faster, but also help you stay asleep longer. Keep watching to find out the secret your brain craves before bed. 5. Bananas, the magnesium secret. Your brain craves before bed. Many people think of bananas as just a quick and convenient snack, but what they may not realize is that this common fruit holds a surprising secret. It can help you sleep better. One of the main reasons bananas are so effective is their high magnesium content. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in relaxing muscles. Studies have shown that magnesium deficiency is directly linked to sleep disorders, and increasing magnesium intake can lead to longer sleep duration. A study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found significant results. Older adults who consumed magnesium-rich foods experienced significantly better sleep quality. The study concluded that magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters responsible for calming the brain and body. This makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Bananas also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin is known as the neurotransmitter of well-being, and its presence helps reduce stress and anxiety, both of which can contribute to insomnia. As serotonin levels increase, the body naturally converts it into melatonin. One of the great things about bananas is their versatility. You can eat one on its own, blend it into a smoothie, or even slice it over whole grain toast. Because bananas are gentle on the digestive system and do not cause blood sugar spikes, they are an ideal choice. If you've ever found yourself lying awake at night, feeling restless or tense, adding a banana to your daily diet could help. It's a small change that can lead to deeper, more restorative sleep. Our next food is a classic that your grandmother probably recommended. 6. Warm milk, the scientific truth behind the medicine. Your grandmother was always right about for generations. Grandparents around the world have offered a glass of warm milk as a sleep medicine, and while this advice may seem old-fashioned, modern science is finally confirming it. Warm milk can actually help induce better sleep, especially in older adults. Researchers have found that milk naturally contains tryptophan. This compound is crucial for the production of serotonin and melatonin in the brain. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming dairy products before bed can significantly increase sleep quality. This is especially true when the milk is heated. In addition to tryptophan, milk is an excellent source of calcium, a mineral that helps the brain use tryptophan to manufacture melatonin. This double action makes milk a true superfood for sleep, particularly for older adults who often face deficiencies in both calcium and sleep quality. Dr. Michael Chen, a neuroscientist specializing in sleep disorders, highlights another benefit. The ritual of drinking a hot beverage before bed works in tandem with its nutritional benefits. The routine itself signals to the body and mind that it is time to slow down and prepare for rest. To get the most out of this ancient remedy, try drinking a glass of warm milk about 30 minutes before going to bed. You can further enhance its sleep-promoting effects by adding a small amount of nutmeg or honey. The next time you find yourself counting sheep in the middle of the night, it might be time to reconsider your grandmother's wisdom. Our next food may look like breakfast, but it's actually the secret to a deep sleep at night. 7. Oatmeal, the nighttime supercarbohydrate that tricks your brain into falling into deep sleep. When we think of oatmeal, we usually associate it with breakfast. However, this humble grain may be one of the most effective foods for fighting insomnia. The science behind this amazing benefit relates to the unique way oats interact with our nervous system. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate that stimulates insulin production. This process helps transport tryptophan to the brain, where it is converted into serotonin and melatonin. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine revealed impressive data. Participants who consumed a small portion of oatmeal a few hours before bed experienced a reduction in the time it took to fall asleep. They also showed a significant increase in total sleep time and fewer nighttime awakenings. Second, its combination of complex carbohydrates and magnesium helps calm the nervous system by naturally lowering levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. For older adults who often struggle with elevated levels of nighttime anxiety, this calming effect can be particularly beneficial. Another notable component of oats is beta-glucan, a form of soluble fiber. Research indicates that beta-glucan not only supports cardiovascular health, but is also associated with deeper sleep. This is because this fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the night. To make the most of the benefits of oatmeal for sleep, consider enjoying a small bowl of oatmeal with warm milk. Adding a spoonful of honey and some nuts can further boost its sleep-inducing power. Unlike conventional sleep medications, oatmeal promotes a natural sleep pattern. This allows you to wake up feeling genuinely refreshed and ready to take on the day. If you've been struggling with restless nights, it might be time to reconsider this traditional grain. A small change in your nighttime diet can make a surprising difference in the quality of your sleep. Our last secret is even more surprising and can regulate your entire sleep system with just 2 spoons. 8. The hidden power of honey. How 2 spoonfuls can regulate your entire sleep system. When we think of sweeteners, we rarely consider their effects on sleep. However, honey is not a common sweetener. It has unique properties that make it a powerful ally against insomnia. Researchers have discovered that honey contains a precise balance of glucose and fructose. These natural sugars affect the brain differently than refined sugars. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed something fascinating. Consuming a small amount of honey before bed can increase insulin levels slightly. This triggers the release of tryptophan in the brain, which is then converted into serotonin and finally melatonin. What makes honey particularly effective for older adults is its ability to stabilize blood sugar. As we age, our body becomes less efficient at regulating glucose levels. Honey provides a stable and slow supply of glucose, allowing the body to maintain optimal blood sugar levels for hours. Dr. Elizabeth Morrison, an endocrinologist with a focus on sleep health, explains this phenomenon. Honey is one of the most underrated natural remedies for sleep problems. It contains several nucleotides, compounds that help regulate the body's biological clock. I observe that many of my older patients who suffer from insomnia experience swings in their blood sugar during the night. 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey before bed stabilizes these levels and significantly improves sleep quality. For the best results, try consuming 1 or 2 tablespoons of pure honey about 30 minutes before bed. You can add it to a cup of chamomile tea or warm milk for an even greater synergistic effect. It is important to choose raw, unprocessed honey as it contains the highest levels of beneficial compounds. This sweet natural remedy may be the key to better nights and more energetic days. As we wrap up our journey through these 8 powerful sleep foods, reflect on what we've learned. Insomnia may seem like an inevitable part of aging, but simple dietary changes can have a powerful impact. Whether it's the serotonin-boosting effects of kiwi, the melatonin-rich tart cherries, or any other food mentioned, these foods offer a natural and effective way to regain peaceful nights. If you've been struggling with sleep for years, it's easy to feel like nothing will work. But sometimes, the best solutions aren't found in a bottle of pills. They are found in nature. As Dr. Alan Richardson said, your diet plays a much bigger role in your sleep health than most realize. When you nourish your body with the right foods, you create the perfect conditions for restorative sleep. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these sleep-enhancing foods caught your eye the most? Have you tried any of them before? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Your experiences matter, and your insights can help someone else who is going through the same struggle. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue to create great content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.